Do it for the 24-hour you. You're feeling unmotivated, stressed, unproductive, and you can't be bothered to do your work. This simple, comprehensible mindset shifting technique will guarantee you get more productive work done now, when you feel lazy, and in the future forever. Using this 24-hour mindset, where you only focus on how you'll feel if you don't complete the work the next day, will be a game changer in you and your productive journey. I believe it was Ali Abdaal that originally created this technique. However, I've adapted it to be more productive and efficient in getting you to do your work. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing 2 ways you can implement this new mindset into your work and your motivation, and you'll see a stark increase in your drive to get work done. So firstly, visualization. Visualize you not doing the work, and then visualize yourself in 24 hours time and ponder on the feelings you'll feel if you don't get the work done now. For example, you not doing the work now would create more stress for tomorrow, more workload for tomorrow, and front load a lot of negative emotions towards the next day, inevitably screwing yourself. Focus on this, write it down and journal the emotions you'll feel, and you'll see a stark increase from that dark motivation and the negative emotions that will garner a lot of motivation for you to complete your work. For a limited time, I'm running one-to-one calls. Book a meeting from the top link in the description and become a more productive person using a lot of techniques that I've talked about on the channel and some that I haven't even posted yet. This could be very beneficial towards you and getting some work done. So if you're interested, check it out in the top link of the description. Enjoy the rest of the video. Next, set quarterly goals throughout your work. So you have, say, for example, 1 hour of work to do, very minute, but split it into 15-minute segments, and each 15 minutes at the end of the work completion of this mini segment of the work, evaluate how this is going to change your 24-hour self. Evaluate the positive aspects of you completing that first quarter of work, and you'll feel that you start to realize why you're doing the work and how important it is, and this will motivate you to complete the rest of the 3 quadrants you have left. This is a super simple tip for number 2, as once you realize what you're doing and the effect it's going to have, you'll feel more motivated to get it done. Again, shout out to Ali Abdaal for creating this initial mindset, and thank you for letting me adapt it to a more productive sense. Take action and do it for not you now, but you in 24 hours. Thanks for watching today's video. If you're looking to get more value from me, where I can help you become more productive via habit tracking, templates, self-improvement strategies, and any other productive knowledge that I know and can implement into your day-to-day life, please look at the top link in the description and book a meeting where we can go over this in the hour you'll have. It'll be a super productive and influential event for you and me to help you. Thank you for watching.